not yet done. What's that? Big animals.
That's a camel, Nike, not horsey.
Sila, oh. It's okay. Oh, Nike, what happened? What happened? Oh, fell on the...
Nike, you stay with teacher. Teacher will get mad. Hurry up.
What happened? Then he worked. Oh, he was working really hard. This is Joseph. Joseph was working. Then what happened? Oh, he went into prison. Joseph. Joseph. Sabi niya, God help me. Praise Joseph. Help me, Lord, help me. And then one day, what happened? Somebody help Joseph. Somebody help. Somebody help Joseph. What was Joseph? Somebody help Joseph. There. Oh, that's what Joseph. And then he helped other people. Joseph and he helped other people also. Because he prayed to God. God,
Teacher will get mad. You go back. Not yet done.